P-E-T, pet. See, where is the word P-E-T, pet? You yourself find it out, children. P-E-T, pet. I'm telling you the spelling also. You need not get help from your parents. P-E-T, pet. Do it on your own. Finished? Once you're finished, you can show me thumbs up. Jahnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
show me?
Pet.
P-E-T, pet. Okay, good. Next word is had. Her ad, had. Ad is A-D. Her ad is H-A-D. Had. Her ad, had. It's in the first line itself. Her ad, had. H-A-D, had. Find it out, children. Take your own time and find it out. Her ad, had. H-A-D, had. Find out where is the word H-A-D. Finished? Once you are finished, you can show me thumbs up, children. Yeah, good. Ashni, good. Nitila, good. Nitila, are you able to find out the word, Nitila?
Good morning,
Yes,
Madam.
ma'am.
Good morning, Madev Krish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Tarnika. Yes, Nitila is able to find out the word.
Yes, ma'am. Spell பண்ணா
Very good.
கண்டுபிடிச்சிடவா?
Very good. Fine. Okay, next word is cat. Know the spelling for cat, right? Cat. K-at, cat. C-A-T, cat. K-at, cat. The spelling is C-A-T. Spelling is different from reading, children. When I ask you to read, you have to read it with your phonics. And when I ask you to spell it, you have to spell it single letter. Now I am spelling the word C-A-T. Cat.
Go catch out.
Found out?
Ma'am, no cat.
Yes, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma, Nightel.
he found a cat in each and every line, so he's saying more cats are there. He's saying.
More cats are there. One cat, many cats. Okay, good.
Ma'am, letters you have to write or identify the letters from the
You
rhymes
have
book,
to
ma'am.
write it. Page number is 17. Pets rhyme. 17. Pets rhyme you will have. This. Pets. Okay. From now on, you follow it, Devkrish mom. Next word is dog. 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 D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. 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 D-O-G. Dog. And the next word is wish. Wish. It ends with the digraph sh. Wish. Wish. W-E-ish. Wish. W-I-S-H. Wish.
Fish or fish, ma'am?
Wish. W-I-S-H. Wish. W-I-S-H, wish. Yeah, good, Tarnika. Dhanvin. W-I-S-H, wish. Next is all. All.
Yeah. Yeah.
All.
Yeah. Oh.
All. A-L-L, all. Day before yesterday also we learned all words, right? Ball, fall, tall, wall, mall, A-L-L. Very good,
All.
Masud. All. A-L-L, all.
Finish, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Manupita. Finish? Okay, next is small. All. Small. It starts with the letter S. All. Small. What, Darshika? Find out. All. Small. Anyone found out?
Yes, ma'am.
Who found out? Show me.
Finish, ma'am.
Good, Ma Janavi. Very good.
Ma'am,
All. Very good, Dhanvin. Very good, Devkrish.
ma'am.
All. Small.
Good morning, ma'am. Have a good day.
Join early, Ritvik, Kavyani. You are missing out the session.
Good morning, Anila ma'am. Have a good day.
We'll be doing an activity, right? For that, hereafter join in time by 10, not by 10:10.
Okay, ma'am.
Try to join in time.
Okay,
Those
ma'am.
who are joined lately, request you to join in time, or else you will miss the activity. It will not be repeated again. Next word, fish. Fish. Children, it is attached with another word. You just find out the fish and circle it. It's given as goldfish. You need not circle the gold. Circle only the fish. F-I-S-H, fish.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Yeah, good ma. Fish.
Ma'am.
Good ma, Kartikeyan. What? Darshika, finish? Is Darshika able to identify, or you are helping her, Darshika's mom?
Yes, she is able to do, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Finish, ma'am.
She is able to identify?
Yes, ma'am. If you tell her, she is able to do, ma'am.
Darshika.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you able to identify, Darshika? Answer, Darshika. I am asking you only.
Yes, ma'am. You are not able to hear?
I can't hear you. What are you speaking?
No, ma'am.
No? Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, children, next word. Next word is have. H-A-V-E, have. This is a new word. Come on, find out. Have. H-A-V-E, have. And that's it. Finish. Darshika, you are going to say Kids Anthem today. Darshika, be ready. HAVE, have. Very good, children. Wonderful. Don't forget all these words, okay? Come on, close your book. Guys are finished. Close your book. Get ready for Kids Anthem.
Ice cream ready, ma'am.
Ice cream is ready, not for this activity.
Just
Another
listen.
activity you have. For that,
Yes, ma'am, I told ma'am, but he's not listening.
I'm telling then only he listen. Yes, no, Dhanvir? Okay, good. Next is Kids Anthem. Ready, children? All of you, join your hands. Close your eyes. Not like that, Ritvik. Join your hands and close your eyes. Like this. Not like this. Ready, Ma? Darshika?
Ready, ma'am.
Start Kids Anthem.
Kids Anthem. Your bunny, your Brahmana, your you in my man, my potential and say. Torah I press on my man, me on mini I press
You're the wings
me wings
beneath my
my
flight.
hands. Torah I press
Like
my
me.
potential and say.
Today I pledge
Today I place
with all my might.
my
I shall achieve you.
you my potential and say.
Why? What happened to Darshika? Good morning, everyone. Darshika, forgot? Okay, no problem. Okay, children. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Do you all
morning,
remember-
ma'am.
Yeah, do you all remember the peacock activity?
Peacock cutting.
Peacock and the butterfly activity. We did know with the towel, butterfly, peacock.
Peacock.
Come on, do the activity and show it to us. Pranita, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Bring a towel. You are going to do a butterfly. In the middle, you have to put a knot and then keep it at your back and flap your wings. And then for the peacock activity, you are going to tie it in your neck. And from the back, you are going to bring it up and shake it like the feathers of a peacock. Whatever both you can do, whatever you want, you can do. Yes, very good, Rohita, Darshika, Kartikeyan, peacock, Kartikeyan, good. Rohita, butterfly, Darshika, butterfly. And then Hashini, butterfly, yeah, okay. Janvi, peacock, Kavyani, butterfly. Ritvik.
Butterfly.
Dikshan joined, butterfly, very nice, Dikshan. Nitila, butterfly, all butterfly, very much. Dikshan, peacock, very good.
Peacock. Butterfly. Peacock.
Okay. Good. Okay, come around. Fly and come around. Fly and come around. Don't stand in one place. Will the peacock and butterfly fly in its place? It will fly here and there freely, right? Fly like a butterfly. Wow. Good children. Very nice. Now like that itself, go drink one glass of water and come back. Come on. Today's story time. Vishank. Vishank, are you ready?
Ma'am, I think.
What Naitik? Very good Naitik. Peacock. Good. Vivan. Vivan is ready with the story? Vivan.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay, very good. Nitila.
Yes, ma'am.
Nitila is ready at story?
No, ma'am. Next week, ma'am.
Next week. Next week by what date you are going to do?
Wednesday, ma'am.
17.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pranita. Pranita. Pranita.
Next week, ma'am.
Are you ready with the story, Pranita?
Ma'am, next week.
Next week. Okay, fine. Okay, children, get ready for the attendance. Darshika.
Ma'am, can Vishang tell tomorrow, ma'am?
Tomorrow, fine. I'll change the date for him.
Okay,
Tomorrow.
thank you.
Definitely tomorrow.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Tomorrow.
12th. Yeah, change this date. Fine. Thank you. Rani, sorry. Dev, Darshika,
Yes, ma'am.
Dev Krish,
Yes, ma'am.
Danvin,
Yes, ma'am.
Dikshan,
Yes, ma'am.
Parnal, Ashni.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you looking at?
Yes, ma'am.
Janavi,
Yes, ma'am.
Karthikeyan,
Yes, ma'am.
Avyani,
Here I am.
Naitek, Naitek.
My name is Naitik. Here I am.
Nukshita, forgot this
Here
one.
I am, ma'am.
Pranita, Rohita, Rohita,
Rohita చెప్పు yes ma'am చాలు
My name is
yes ma'am చాలు yes ma'am చెప్పు
Rohita, here I am or yes ma'am, anyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Please mute yourself, everyone. This way.
Here I am, ma'am.
Nitila, Satvika, Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
Varnika,
Here I am, ma'am.
Tilakar, Vishank, Vishank,
Good morning, ma'am.
here I am.
Here I am.
Here I am.
Why so sad, Vishank?
Yes, ma'am.
What, ma'am? What happened? What happened? Why so dull? Your face is so dull. Why? Give me a smile. Give me a smile.
Smile. Please smile.
What happened to Vishank today? Oh my God, very angry, huh?
Not angry and all, ma'am.
Then why? What happened? He used to smile. No, okay, no issues. Vivan,
Yes, ma'am, sorry.
Vidyut, Vidyut, Zedi, Zedi, Lakshana, 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 I'm marking you, Lakshana. 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 Here I am.
Ma'am.
Here I am. Okay.
Here I am.
Mute yourself, Lakshana. I marked you, okay? Children, now, come on. Rhymes, Miss Polly had a dolly. Mute yourself, Lakshana.
Ma'am.
Wait, Ashni. Lakshana, mute yourself. Lakshana, mute yourself.
நான் ஒண்ணும் செய்யலடா திருப்ப சொல்லல மேம் சொல்லதான் சொல்றேன்
Lakshana. I want Lakshana to mute herself. Yeah, very good. Okay, today's rhyme, who is going to sing? It's not Hashni because Hashni already sang. Anyone else? Yes, Devkrish. Devkrish. No Dhanvin, no Tarnika, no Hashni, no Siddharth. Okay. Apart from them, others have to sing. Come on, Devkrish. Miss.
Kavyani.
Okay, Kavyani. Janavi, definitely. Mm.
Let Miss Polly put her straight to bed. She wrote on the paper for a baby. On the bed next morning for a baby.
Wonderful, Devkrish. Wonderful. Very good. Very good boy. High five. High five. High five.
High five. Give
High five. Okay. Next is Janavi. Mm.
Miss Polly and a dolly would a sweet, sweet, sweet. And the car to the dolly would a sweet, sweet, sweet.
Mm.
The teacher had
The doctor came along with this.
bang and the hat.
Look at me.
No, and the door, that.
Mm. He looked at the dolly.
Shook and shake.
Mm.
The door,
Told Miss Polly put her straight to bed. Mm.
door to the valley should have said this bed.
What different language, ah? What is the name of this language which you are singing? What are you singing, naughty girl? Come on,
All
come
of
on.
the rainbow is so violet. Oh, wait is the indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow comes then the orange too. Finally, the rainbow spread.
Very good. Well done. Well done. Okay, next it's going to be Kavyani. Come on, Kavyani. You are looking very beautiful, Devkrish. You can sit back. Kavyani. Kavyani.
She know only half, ma'am.
Sorry?
She know only half rhymes, ma'am.
Which rhyme? Rainbow rhyme, you know, Kavyani?
Rainbow.
Rainbow rhyme. Oh, look, there's a rainbow. No, no. You'll say no, no to ma'am. Then what are you doing? You should learn, right?
What?
Definitely.
You're going to learn. Okay. Today I'm going to send an audio of both the rhymes. Those who don't know how to sing the rhyme, hear that audio and try to sing. Okay, children? And then Ritvik. Ritvik.
Miss Polly had the doll at 6. Miss Polly had the doll at 6.
So she?
Called up the doctor to take it.
The doctor came along with this.
Bag and his hat. And he knocked at the door with another tap.
He looked at the dolly.
I looked at the dolly.
He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He told Miss Polly put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, and was back next morning for his bill. Okay, night take. Nitik. Vivan.
Yes, ma'am.
Nitik, you are going to sing or not?
Yes, ma'am. How are you doing? Yes,
Wait,
ma'am.
Nitik. Vivan will finish. Wait. Finish it, Vivan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Loudly,
ma'am.
nice voice.
Oh,
Loudly.
go and the violet. With the indigo, or color blue, with a yellow helmet and an orange. Finally, it's red. The rainbow is red.
Well done. Wonderful. Miss Polly had a dolly. Miss
Yeah.
Polly. Miss Polly had a dolly. Vivan. Miss Polly had a dolly. Hmm. Hmm. Don't know, Vivan?
No, he knows. No, no, no. Let's hurry down the toy. Good, six. Oh, the doctor really quick. Doctor got the bag and had turned off on the door. Whack, tat. And I was so damn Oh, Gondola, right to bed. Move on to the bill. Back and a boy. Bill.
Wonderful. Very good. Okay. Next is Nitik. Nitik,
Yes, ma'am.
sing the rhyme.
Miss Polly had a
Miss Polly have a dolly to
action. That
That's
was
what. That was sick. She
called.
learned with the
She called up the doctor.
He called up the doctor to be quick. The doctor came along with the bag and hat.
Hmm.
He tapped at the door
He had
Tapped.
that the dog
with the button.
that tap.
Hmm.
He
Hmm.
looked at the dolly and shook his head.
Hmm. Told Miss Polly put a.
Straight to bed.
Hmm.
They wrote on the paper.
Action and cue.
They wrote on the paper
For the big
for the bill.
And was back next morning for the bill. Okay. Okay, I'll sing for your children two rhymes. Tomorrow others have to try to sing. Okay. Miss Polly had a dolly that was sick. So she called up the doctor to be quick. The doctor came along with his bag and hat, and he knocked at the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He told Miss Polly put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, and was back next morning for his bill. Okay? Next time is, oh look, there's a rainbow, it's so violet. Wait, there is indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow comes next, then there's orange too. Finally, there's red and the rainbow spread. Okay, these two rhymes. Tomorrow, rest of you have to sing. Okay, children, now take your math notebook. Math notebook. Write today's date. Today's date is 11 to month of February 2121. page, ma. Take your math notebook, I said.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Thank you, Nukshita. 11 dash 2 dash 2121. Write in the date column. You have a small column over there. Write in the date column. And the heading you are going to give is greater. Find the greater number.
கிரேட் நம்பர்னா எது பிக்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் பாப்பா.
Find the greater number.
இங்கே சம்பள படிப்பா. குட் கேர்ள்.
The heading of the exercise which you are going to do is find the greater number. Parents can write and give the heading for them. Definitely write the heading for them. Without a heading, they should not do an exercise. Along with the heading only, they should do the exercise.
அது உடஞ்சிட்டு இங்கே எல்லாத்துக்குமே கடையில வேற இல்லவே இல்லை இதான் இருந்துச்சு. சரிவா?
Mute yourself, children, everyone. Darshika,
Yes, ma'am.
mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
In case of any doubts, you can unmute or else mute yourself, children. Ready? First sum number 1. Write number 1. 2, 5, 25. 2, 8, 28. Okay? And you are going to draw a circle above that. Both the numbers you are going to draw a circle. And you are going to take 2 colors. One is yellow and the other one is light green. Bring 2 colors. One is yellow, the other one is light green. Okay, the greater number, first you are going to find it out and you are going to color it with yellow.
Ma'am, smaller number with green or yellow, ma'am?
Smaller number with light green. Smaller number with light green.
Okay.
Greater number with yellow. First color the greater number. Find out which is the greater number. Color it with yellow. Don't leak the answers. Those are finished. Lift your book and just show it to me. I'll find out whether you have done the right answer. But stepwise you have to go, children. First look at the first number. Number 1. First step is look at the first number. For example, look at the first number. See whether both the numbers are same or different. Listen, children. Then don't get help from your parents. Listen when I am telling you itself. Okay? First, look whether the first number is different or the same. If it is the same number, move on to the next number. Now see whether the second number is same or are keeping on eating, Vivan. Same or different. Okay, if it is a different number, find out which is the greater number and then color it with yellow. Okay, for example, 8. 8 is the greater number, so I am coloring it with yellow. And which is the smaller number? Obviously, 25 is the smaller number. So I am going to color it with light green. Like this you have to do, children. Understood? Understood? Any doubts? Please ask me, children. Very good, ma Dev Krish. Found out. Then we'll finish. Very good. Very good. Shall we move on to the next sum? Number 2. Number 2. Write number 2 in the margin. You will have a margin like this, children. Okay, this side of the margin you have to write number 2. And then the next number is 4, 9. What is 4, 9? 4, 9. 49. Okay, Dhanvin. When I ask you only, you should answer here after Dhanvin. Okay? Next number is 5, 4. What is 5, 4?
4, 9.
5, 4. Pranita, mute yourself.
4.
Pranita, mute yourself, Pranita. Nukshita, what is 5, 4?
4.
Very good. Now find out which is the greater number. Draw a circle before that. Look at the first number. Okay, ma, mute yourself. Don't leak the answer. Do it on your own and just show it to me. I can see everyone's sheet. Look at the first number. Find out whether it is same or different. Jahnavi. Did you finish the sum, Jahnavi?
No, ma'am. She was waiting for you to tell.
You want me to do? Look at the sum. Take your pencil in your hand. Look at the sum. Underline the first number. Check whether the first number is same or different. If I am sitting in front of you, how will you react, children? The same way you should react. Then only you will learn. Look at the first number. Check whether it is same or different. If it is different, find out which is bigger and color it with yellow. And the next number will be the smaller number. Color it with light green. Yes, very good, ma Dhanvin.
I'm finished.
Good, Dev Krish. Good, Dev Krish.
I'm finished.
Good, Hashni.
Ma.
Okay, number 3.
Phone.
Number 3, very good, Siddharth. Number 3. What is 7, 6, 76, Darshika? Sorry, what is 7, 6? I told the answer. Darshika, what is 7, 6?
7.
7, 6?
7, 6. 76.
Very good. Nitila, what is the next number? 7, 1?
7, 1, 71.
Very good, Nitila. Now find out which is the greater number and then color it with yellow. And the smaller number, color it with light green. Parents, if they are coloring it wrongly, also leave it. Then only you will know at what extent they know the concept. Please don't correct them in the middle. Please don't tell them, idu tappu, idu pannada. That is the right answer. No. At the end of this activity, they'll be doing the correction. So let them do it. Don't interfere in the middle. Children, you also should not ask your parents. Compared to previous classes, I can see many children doing it on your own. Very good, children. Thank you so much for listening to me. And I want the rest of the children also to do the same. Even if it is wrong also, it's okay, children. We are going to correct it again.
Ma'am.
Finish. Very good, ma. Tarnika, good. Dhanvin, good. Dikshan, good diction. Nitik, why don't you show your notebook, Nitik? You're not at all showing your notebook. Why, Nitik?
Ma'am, Pranita finished.
Satvika, good, ma.
Ma'am, finished.
Yeah, okay, Pranita. Yeah, Hasni, good. Repeatedly the same children only I'm seeing they are showing me the notebook. Darshika, what have you done? Satvika, very good, Satvika. Siddharth, good, ma. Devkrish, good. Nitek, show me your notebook, Nitek. Done correctly?
Finished.
Yeah. Okay, next sum number 4. Next number. Ritvik. What is the first number, Ritvik?
First number.
19, ma'am.
Huh?
19, ma'am.
1, 9?
19.
19. Okay. Devkrish, what is the second number, Devkrish?
17.
17. Very good. Hashini, finish?
No, ma'am.
Do it, do it. Look at the first number, check whether it is the same or different number. If it is the same number, move on to the second number. And the fifth sum. Very good, Devkrish. Do the fifth sum. After doing this sum, parents check whether they have done it correctly and give them marks and give them the stickers what you have done. And for tomorrow's activity, the sticker is going to be cupcake. Cupcakes. You can draw it, color it, and then cut it out. Or else you can do it with a color paper. Finish?
Finished, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, what was the fifth sum, ma'am?
25 and 86.
Okay, thank you.
Is he able to identify the greater number?
Yes, ma'am. He's doing it, but he'll color it later, ma'am. For now,
Okay,
he's
that's it.
identifying.
He can color it later, but he has to identify.
Yeah, he's doing it.
Is anyone finding it difficult to find the greater number? Please let me know.
Ma'am, finished.
Finish. Very good. How many marks did you get, Siddharth?
How many marks?
You are going to get 5.
చూపించు
5.
2.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. Ma'am, I
All
finished.
5 correct. Give them the stickers.
Ma'am, I finished.
Yeah, very good, Rohita. If you have done all the 5 correctly, get your sticker.
Ma'am.
Siddharth, get your sticker. Okay, one by one, I'll call you children. Darshika first. One by one, I'll call you. Darshika. Siddharth's mom, if you are not able to give the sticker, draw him ice cream cone in that.
Mommy.
I'm drawing, ma'am.
Darshika, why don't you hear me, Darshika? Are you there? Yeah, there only. Darshika, look at me. Darshika, tell me how much did you get?
Ma'am, I finished.
Yeah, I'll call you, Naitik. Dave Krish, got full marks. Look, everyone mute yourself. I'm going to call you one by one. Mute yourself. I'll call everyone. Very good, Dave Krish. Everything correct. Good. Next is Dhanven. Get your sticker. Dhanven.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Dhanven. Very nice ice cream cone. Very good. Okay, next is Dikshan. Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Very
yes,
good.
ma'am.
Ashni, I'll call you one by one, I said. Till then, mute yourself. Very good, Ma Dikshan. Next is Hashini.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me. Very good, Ashni. Janavi. Janavi.
Yes,
Correctly
ma'am.
done, na?
Yes. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good, ma'am.
But she was confused little, ma'am.
For what?
To find it, ma'am.
To find it.
For
ah.
every sum, yes, ma'am. For every sum, I used to keep
We'll
on
give her
taking.
even more 5 sums extra. Let her find it on her own. Okay,
Okay.
don't disturb her. Let her find it. And finally, let her come with the answers. You check it. In between, don't interrupt her.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next is Kartikeyan.
Ma'am.
Very good, Kartikeyan. Good. Kavyani. Kavyani.
Finished, ma'am.
Where is your sticker, Kavyani? Get your sticker. Very good. Naitik. Naitik. Very good, Naitik. Try to make stickers and give them parents. You are encouraging them. Then only they will do it eagerly every day. Okay, so try to give them stickers or cut it in a color paper. Okay? Next is Nukshita. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, show me. Very good, Nukshita. Good. Pranita.
Sure.
Pranita.
Wait, ma'am, I am doing.
Huh?
Ma'am, Pranita finished.
Okay.
மேம் வீடியோ ஆன் ஆகல மேம் அதுக்கு
Oh.
ஃபுல் ஃபினிஷ்
Okay, no issues. Rohita.
சரி
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Very good, Rohita. Ritvik. Pranita, once you unmute yourself, please mute yourself at once, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Ritvik. Very good, Ritvik. Well done. Okay, Satvika. Very good, Satvika. Very nice. Next is Siddharth. Very nice, Satvika.
Thank you, ma'am, for teaching.
Siddharth. Okay. Next is Tarnika. Too much encouragement for Siddharth alone, ah? Not accepted. So, Tarnika. Very good, Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Next is Vishank. Vishank, where is your notebook, ma Vishank?
I only got it now, ma'am.
He got full marks?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Vishank. Good boy. Well done. Next is Vivan.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You made it. Very good. Nitila. Very good. Nitila. Well done, Nitila. Stop doing that drawing activity, no? Without the drawing object, see whether she is able to find out.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, when you guide her with this drawing, no, then she will go all along with that only. So
Okay,
try
ma'am.
stopping that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Thank
Okay.
you. Lakshana. 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 When I'm calling you, you will never respond, Lakshana. Okay. Children, I want you to take page number, worksheet book number 126 empty, 25 empty, This sheet you will be having. Okay. You have all those shapes here. You need not do it now. I'm telling you which is the homework. Okay. So this, according to the shape and color, you are going to color this picture. Okay. This will be your homework today. Finish it and send it to ma'am. Yes? And storytelling, who is ready? You can present it now. 125 empty. That will be the homework today. Yes, Vishank. Sorry, Vivan. Vivan.
Yes, ma'am. Vivan, we are ready now.
The story. Children, all keep your book down and listen to the story. Okay. Others, please mute yourself. Lakshana, mute yourself, ma. Let's start with one. Yes, visible. Your screen is visible.
My name is Rima. I go to shop house at PDL. Ma'am? And honest. One day, I he fell down and he didn't
Lakshana, mute yourself, Lakshana, first.
He didn't throw it to me, but take at counter and grab on the reef. And he said, thank you. And he said, thank you, Peter. The S-E best friend. The one day Hunter came. Hunter rode south Peter the arrow and is watching Hunter. He says, I have idea. And he brought the hill and his white Hunter. Hunter beat on. Hunter fell down the arrow. Peter was safe. Thank you, Peter. Moss, if your do good will comes to your. Thank you.
Well done, Vivan. You looked at the words and you read the lines, right?
Very good, Vivan.
You were looking at the words given below and one by one you were trying to read. Well done. It was a great attempt and very well narrated. Okay. Thank you so much, Vivan. Okay, parents, one more reminder regarding the consent form. The consent form was sent to you, right? So please fill it today and send it by today itself. Okay, so today is going to be the last date. This is a gentle reminder. Okay. So thank you so much for your cooperation, children. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.